ClickInstall 7 is used to build a software installer for Mac computers. Here we see the record of information used to build a specific installer. Other ClickInstall 7 videos demonstrate how to build a simple installer, how to code sign and notarize it with Apple, and how to protect and license the installer. This video demonstrates how to present several choices and options to the user during the install process. If you have watched other ClickInstall 7 videos, you are already familiar with the source, output and support folders that contain files used to construct the installer. Notice the new Choice 1, Choice 2, Option 1 and Option 2 folders with additional files the user may want to add to their computer during the install process. Click the Install Options button to present a dialog of choices and options. To allow a user to choose one of several choices, add one line of data for each choice. Notice the name of the choice and the path to the folder holding the files. During the install process, the files from the user-selected choice can be added to a named folder within your application folder or copied directly into the parent folder. The Help field presents a descriptive message to the user when hovering above that choice in the finished installer screen. A checkbox list of options is presented the user during the install process. A user might select 0 or more of those checkboxes depending on which options they want. The Option Name field determines the name of the checkbox, and the Help field determines the descriptive text presented when hovering over that option. The files in a specific option can be included within the main installer file by clicking the Select button and choosing the folder. Files can be downloaded on demand during the install process by clicking the Internet button. This approach makes the main installer file smaller and quicker to download. The zip file URL dialog provides a URL for the files in that option. The developer can build the compressed zip file and upload it to the server. Optionally, the folder can be selected here. During the build process, the zip file is constructed. Now that we have added choice and options to our installer setup screen, click the build process and wait for it to complete. The new installer and a zip file for each option is generated to the output folder. In the output folder, we see the zip file of the main installer and the two optional zip files. These files can be uploaded to the developer website with FileZilla or another tools. Alternatively, use the FTP features on the upload panel and click Install to select and upload files to the server. To use this approach, complete the credentials of your FTP user account. Now run the finished installer. Double-click the Setup application and click the Install button. Confirm the license agreement and notice the Pick One Choice dialog. Make your choice and click the Continue button. The Select Options dialog is presented. Select the options you want and click the Continue button. At the end of the install process, the installer screen will disappear and everything is where it should be in the Applications folder.